So you've been injured in Springfield, Massachusetts, and you think that the city is responsible. I get the question all the time, can I sue the city? So the answer is absolutely yes. But the question is, do we have proper notice? How did the injury happen? Do we have caps on damages? So there's a number of factors. So in Massachusetts, for instance, if you have an injury that's involving a sidewalk or street, and it's a defect in the roadway, we have to give notice within 30 days of the injury. On the sidewalks, there also is a cap, could be of $5,000. Now, if the damage in the sidewalk isn't necessarily the city, but let's say it's a water main cover, that wouldn't necessarily come under the cap because we're not necessarily suing the city, we're suing the water company. Or if someone else is doing work on the sidewalk that isn't the city and it's a construction company. So there's a lot of factors as to when the city is liable and when they're not, as to looking at the amount of damages, who's responsible, how did it occur, was it reckless? So my advice is, if you have a case and you believe the city is responsible, immediately contact my office so we can preserve your rights by doing the proper notice and giving you the right advice at the time under the circumstances. So those are my thoughts, and that's my advice.